Hi, welcome training this session about Fibonacci. About the professional use of this tool in all markets. Learn the most commonly used cow strategies. From this menu on the left we can find it. But before that, I have to explain so that you can easily understand that in the financial market, in the anatomy of the human body, in the pyramids of Egypt, think of anything. These are special Fibonacci installations or sizes that are specific numbers, but we have nothing to do with them today. We need to learn how to make money and profits from the market. Friends, you have to remember that my intention is only to make a good profit in the market. In essence, Fibonacci says when we have an uptrend, this move will definitely bring price correction. The price will be adjusted up to 50 to 61. Let me show you on the chart to make this very easy. For example, we have an uptrend in which good prices have risen and we are left out of the market. Now it's time to dump him and move on. The price does not go down any further because there is a strong uptrend, and continue the previous process again. Let's take a look at the great Fibonacci tools to see what happens. We have to measure from the starting point of the wave to the first ceiling of that wave, as you can see. Price reaction in the range of 50 to 61 easily recognizable. This tool shows our uptrend %100 and %50, %61, %78. These are all percentages of returns from the %100 wave. By drawing the shape, you will now realize that this great Fibonacci is comfortable. My friends, it is not difficult at all. Here the price went up. And now it's time for the cows to turn into bears and make a profit. That's why the price corrects that we specified this amount with Fibonacci. Fibonacci %100 moving goal is considered. Now, in most cases, the price corrects up to 50 to 61. I hope you have realized the importance and simplicity of Fibonacci. Sometimes the price drops to 78, which cannot be a good sign. If the current trend was very strong, the price would not fall to 78, my friend. The best place is 50 to 61, which is very common, which can create a new roof. But if it reaches 78, it is much more likely that it will not rise above the previous ceiling. Let me show you on the chart to make it easier. Get clean, baby. Goodbye. Now that 78 has come, it will most likely reach the previous ceiling very slowly. This is where it becomes clear that the price continues or the trend is reversed. It becomes a level of resistance that you learned very easily and quickly in the previous session, friends. If you do not see it, I suggest you watch a video before. Well, enough training, let's go to the real chart to see what happened. Follow a professional example. I see a beauty. Now the trend is going down and we have to go from the ceiling to the floor. Right where we talked. But our trend was not strong enough to record a new floor. For this reason, the trend has changed in the near future. So let's find another beauty. My opinion is to say hello to Bitcoin. I think 4 hours is better. Where did you escape? Friends, I know you are aware that the purpose of this video is only education, not financial offer. Very well, a beautiful example. New roof.